Hi everybody and a warm welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Today is a DIY and a decor video and I am participating in Christmas Cozy Corner Challenge. And this is being hosted by two wonderful YouTubers and DIYers. They are Arlynn from Arlynn's Country Craft Corner and Kim from Sweet Daisy Creations. They are great YouTubers, DIYers, crafters. They make beautiful bows, beautiful centerpiece and decorative arrangements. Do check out Arlynn's and Kim's channel and also the playlist. I'll put links to these in the description box given below. And they have challenged us to decorate a corner, a place at our home for the upcoming Christmas with either a ladder, a table or a chair, a garland, a Christmas coat or sign and a bow. That's the difficult part. I always found making a bow a little difficult, but today also I'm going to do a DIY as I started this series of doing DIYs for the upcoming winter and Christmas and other holidays. You can check them all out in my DIY and decor playlist, and today also I'm going to do a DIY. You see this table which is still in the fall flavors, and I'm going to change this place for the upcoming winter and holidays. And today I'm going to also change and make change a fall decor item into winter or holiday decor item, which is going to be a farmhouse style. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video or by hitting the icon given in the bottom right corner of the video. And do hit the notification bell so that you're notified very early as soon as I post my video and you don't miss out on any of the DIY, any of the fun. So let's get started and create a DIY for my Christmas cozy corner and decorate it. This is a piece of white paper that I have taken and I'm going to draw buffalo checks over them using grey and black. So first I'm going to make a central line. Preferably use a flat brush, that makes things easier. Then just go on adding lines at equal distances on the sides. So once you're done with the lines on one axis, turn the paper around and do the other axis the same way. Start from the center and then gradually go on to the sides. Sometimes we don't get the exact kind of thing we want in the market customized, so it's always easier and nicer if we can make it at home. And I just wanted this specific color-coded paper, and so I decided to just make it at home. You can always go ahead and buy a pretty wrapping paper or a gift paper or contact paper if you get it in your choice. Here is the paper. It has dried up well and you can see the checks. Now just on the intersections I'm going to add some black. Honestly speaking, I like the crude handmade look to machine-made perfectness. Now I'll just fold this paper in the middle. Now I'll just draw from this midpoint till this end, I'll just draw a line and then make the tree. It's just a zigzag thing like this and just cut it out. here is a buffalo check tree ready. I took a paper the same size as that of my picture frame, and I have drawn line with pencil, and with pencil itself I have written the word believe, because this is the first thing we need before starting anything. And I'm just gonna use a felt pen to write it and just thicken some edges, and then I'll add my tree in the center and glue it, and I'll put it in my picture frame. So this is the picture frame that I made for my fall. I'll put a card link how I made this picture frame. It's very easy. You can check it, or you can check my DIY and decor playlist to see how I did this. I'm just going to take the wreath out and inside paper out and replace it with this, and my farmhouse style winter accent or Christmas sign will be ready. For this DIY, I took this stack of books. I had covered them with brown paper and tied them with white string for the fall. But now I'm going to take off the string and change the cover to white using some white sheets and tie them up with the red string. This has already started to look festive, but I have more plans for it. You can get printouts of alphabets, or you can just write them down, and I've written J and Y. I'm going to cut this out and paste them using some glue stick. So roughly in the midline of the bottom book I put Y, and on the midline of the top book I'll put J. So where is the missing O? So I've taken a red felt pen and just how's that? A joy. I always had this lamp in this corner, and I would like to keep this lamp here. It is made up of iron, and it has the shape of a sun, a round structure in the center. And all I can notice is this round, which can easily be decorated like a wreath. And I also have these greens, and I'm going to use a matching green thread. One can use florist tape or florist wire for fixing, and I have managed to make a bow using some golden tulle and some red ribbon, and I'm going to show how I do it. I'm just going to take these greens and attach them here using thread and go all round it. So this is the front end and this is the back end. I'm going to overlap this back end with the other thread, the other twig's front end. Here is my Christmas cozy corner moving in. Here is the garland that I DIY'd in my last video. You can check it out in my DIY and decor playlist, and also I'll put a card link to this. Here is my stack of old books wrapped up in white and tied in red. Isn't it so pretty? Spelling out joy. My table lamp that I decorated, creating a wreath and a bow. And here is the believe sign. You need to believe to do anything. My cozy corner has turned out so festive and pretty. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, give a comment, and do share it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.